This channel is earning around $20,000 to $300,000 per month online. This channel is earning $8,000 to $140,000 every month online. And this channel is earning around $900 to $15,000 every single month online. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how they're doing this. What's going on, guys? As the intro says, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money on YouTube. But not only that, I'm going to show you how you can do this without making your own videos or showing your face online, and you don't actually need a big following or anything like that. And I'm going to take you through this step by step and show you exactly what you need to do to make this work and all the steps that you need to take. Now make sure you stay all the way to the end of this video, because at the end I actually have a bonus that you can do to make more money with this method. Okay, so I'm going to show you one way that you can make money with this method. Then I'm also going to be showing you an extra way that you can make more money with this method. Okay, so make sure you stay to watch that. Now, before we get into this video, we do need to do the giveaway real quickly. So in every single video, I give away access to every single one of my courses to one lucky winner. What you've got to do is smash that like button. Once you've smashed that like button, let me know below, do you currently have a YouTube channel? Yes or no, and we will randomly pick one winner in the next video. So make sure you also subscribe so you know if you're the winner in the next video. So let's jump into this tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to make money online with YouTube. All right, guys, so I'm going to be taking you through this step by step to show you exactly what you need to do. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of show you what we're going to be creating, and then I'm going to take you through how to create it and how to monetize it and make money from this method. So you want to go and find a niche where you can find content that you don't actually own, but you can use it. So for this example, I'm going to use the niche relaxing music, because this is quite an easy niche to find content for, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So if I go into here, not only is there relaxing music, there's actually lots of sub niches as well. So there's relaxing music for sleep, for studying, piano, spa, for dogs, for pets. So there's lots of different kind of niches that you can actually jump into, or sub niches in the relaxing music niche. Now, how does this work? So if I put in relaxing music, you'll see that all of these videos show up here. Now, let's take this one for example. I think I've opened this one up right here. Let's take this one for example. It's simply a video of images or videos that they put in there with music over those videos, right? So music that people can listen to. Now, this person doesn't own any of the content. And if you actually, I'll show you something here. This is the exact same video, but there is an ad on this video. So these guys make money from the advertising that they put on the videos, and it's content they don't even create. So it's quite simple to do, and you don't need to create your own content. So this is how they make money, by having ads on these videos here. See, so if I skip the ad, now it's actually starting the video. Now, how much money do these guys make? So this particular one here, if you actually go to this, click on their channel, and you highlight the YouTube, and you go over to here, and you actually put it in this bar up here. I've already done it. You can search. You can see how much money these channels are making. So this one's making estimated $600 to $10,000 per day. Now, this is only an estimation. It's not accurate. But what I've noticed with my channel is it's usually 5 times the lowest one. So this channel is probably making $4,000 to $5,000 per day, maybe $2,000 to $3,000 per day. You can easily calculate it with a calculator. All you do is you take the average CPM in this niche, and you can calculate it that way. But either way, this channel is making some really good money. Now, here's another channel here, and this channel is making around about 30 to 400, 40 to 600, so a lot less, but it's still making good money every single day. So we know these channels are making money. Now, that's cool and all, but how do you actually go and do this strategy so you can make money with this as well? So first of all, there's a few things we actually need to look at. And one of those things is, can you actually make money from these videos? Now, this is a big question that we always get, and people are like, you can't make money from these videos. Well, if you actually go to the YouTube help, and you go down and you click to can you use royalty-free or Creative Commons content? You can monetize royalty-free or Creative Commons content if the license grants you the rights to use it commercially. So as long as the license grants you to use it, you can make money. You can monetize those videos as long as you have over 5,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time. Then you can monetize this. It will take you time to get there, but you can monetize it. So the next step you want to do is you want to go to pexels.com and put in relaxing and then click search, which I've already done, and then click on videos. And there's all of these videos that you can use for free, okay? You don't have to buy these or anything like that. There's meditation, relaxing, relax, nature. Let's take this one for example, okay? It says down here that this is free to use. If you click the information section, it says it's free to use, no attribution required. And you can even click learn more about the license. As long as it's royalty free, then you can use it. So this one you can use. It's royalty free content. So you can monetize this content. Now, what you want to do is you want to simply go through and you want to download some clips and you want to go and put them into an editor. Now, I actually have a free editor that you can use. It's called openshot.org, okay? openshot.org. This is completely free to use and you can download this. Now, once you download some clips, okay, I've got OpenShot right here and I've got my clip in here. So this clip here is the one that I downloaded right here. So I clicked on here, I went to free download and I downloaded this clip. I click free download again. Oh yeah, it's downloading down the bottom. Okay, so I downloaded that clip. Now the next step is to find some music. Now I found a great place where you can get royalty free music that you can use as well. And this is called pixabay.com for music/search. And I put in mood and relaxing. And I think it was this one down here I really liked. So let's play this one. Yes, this one's really, really nice. All I need to do is click download, okay? And it will simply download this music. Then what I did is I went and put the music into the light shot here with my clip and I'll play it. And I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it's playing the music and the clip. And then all I need to do is download more clips and put them in here. And I'll do that right now, just real quickly for you. All right, guys, so I've downloaded another video. And as you can see, it transitions now into that second video. Okay, so this is a free video editor. You can use it for completely free. So go and download that. It's called OpenShot. Now, what you want to do is you actually want to make the videos quite long. So these videos are like, a lot of those are live videos, but some of them are like 3 hours or an hour here, 3 hours. I would recommend you make them at least 1 hour long, okay? Because number one, it gives more watch time to your channel, and that's what everybody is doing. So it's very important that you understand what other people are doing and then go and kind of do what they are doing to make this work for you. And then once you've gone and created that video, all you do is you export the video and it's yours to use on YouTube for free. Now, the thing is, getting views on YouTube, okay, it's going to be a bit hard at the start because there's a lot of competition, but you just got to keep going. Now, it's very simple to do, so let me explain to you how to get views on YouTube doing this method. Number one, okay, is when you click on this video here, there are videos down here that show up on the sidebar. So your video would show up on the sidebar when people click other videos. To do this, you want to optimize your videos around specific keywords. So for example, relaxing sleep music, deep sleeping music, relaxing music, stress relief, meditation music. These are all keywords that this person has put into the video title, which is one of the best ways to rank your videos, not only in the search, but in the suggested as well, because it tells YouTube what the video is about. This is one of the strongest points. Now, the next one is you want to actually put it in the description as well. Okay, you want to put your keywords in there. Now, a good place to kind of see what people are searching is just to do what these people have done because they know what's working. But you can also use Google Keyword Planner and you can see what people are searching online. So sleep music, spa music, soothing music, relaxing sleep music, sleep hypnosis, relaxing piano music. This tells you what people are searching online, so you can put some of this stuff into your YouTube video titles, okay? And you also want to go and put video tags. So this guy's done some tags called relaxing, relaxing music, soothing, relaxation, peaceful music, okay? Now remember, this is content that you don't create. So it's very easy to go and create this type of content, but you need to do a few more things. So what you need to also do is create a YouTube thumbnail. To do that, you want to go over to a website called canva.com, and you want to make sure, so if we go back here, let me show you what to do. So if I go to home, you want to go into the search bar and you want to put in YouTube. And you want to go down to where it says thumbnail. Okay? And you can simply make a thumbnail. So if I put in something like relaxation, there's only one there, but if we put in something maybe like nature. So we've got this one here, venture into the woods. You can change all of this. You can change all of this text here. This here. You can delete that. There's all of these different types of things here. You can even delete this whole section if you want, and you can simply download the image itself. Or if you wanted to, you could go back to pexels.com. You could put in relaxing, and you can go to photos. And you've got all of these royalty-free images that you could also use for a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and it's really, really simple to do. You just click on this, and I can go to free download, and I've downloaded a thumbnail. Really simple to understand. But the most important part is to go and find a niche that people are actually searching. They are viewing this content. This content is getting views and a lot of views, and to optimize the videos based on what people are searching for, okay? And it will take you some time to get traction. You're not gonna get millions of views straight away, but these channels are making money. Even if you could make $5 a day or $10 a day or even just $15 a day, it could be a little bit of extra money for you by using content you don't even create. That's the beauty of this. Now, I did say in this video there was an extra bonus at the end. What you can actually do is you can sign up to a website called clickbank.com to make extra money. You can scroll down once you've signed up and go to the this one down here, and there is all of these products you can actually promote in kind of like the relaxation niche, I suppose. But you can actually promote these products about manifestation and stuff like this by clicking promote, and you can get what we call an affiliate link. So you have to get pre-approved for that one, but you get what we call an affiliate link. Okay, so generate a link. And this link here, you can actually go and place in the description of your videos. And you could essentially earn what we call an affiliate marketing commission. So people would pay you, so that program will pay you a commission every time you refer a sale. All right, guys, that's a quick tutorial step-by-step showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube without making your own videos. If you want some more tutorials on how to make money online, I'll leave some up on the right. These will take you through step-by-step how to start your own affiliate marketing business online. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you on one of the videos on the right.